Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an installation failed with error code 0x800b0101 in the Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to taskbar over here and go to date and time and right click on it and go to adjust date and time guys. In date and time not correct in here, make sure you set time to automatic on. Just turn it on the automatic over here and scroll down guys. If you are set a time correctly or not, you need to check that as well. And you just need to make sure your desktop to connected to the internet. Additional setting over here, you just need to click on sign now. Click on this. This will update the internet time guys. Just need to click on here, and after that you just need to turn it on as well and select your location and in here guys time zone and close out of here. If the problem didn't get resolved after changing this, let's reset the Microsoft Store guys. For that, go to search menu and type WSRESET. It will open run command, and this will reset the Microsoft Store. Hopefully this can resolve your problem guys. This will reset the Microsoft Store back to their original default. And that's it. This is now resetted. Now you should good to go guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.